Okay, guys, we're just going to get it later. Okay, I'm just going to wait. Close the door. Close the door. Okay, everybody. Okay, I buy this Gruffalo and then I got this freeze fan. So I think we can drive with this. You guys can buy it too in where? JDID. It got free fan too. I'll tell you. It's like this. Careful. Can you? Where's the box? Where's the box? Oh, here we go. I want to cut it. Okay. Wow, so cute. The battery? We have the battery. Can you get the battery? Of course. It's super mini. Everybody, just going to put this over here. Just going to wait. Okay, I'm just going to get this pen. Okay, guys. Okay. No. Okay. Sorry, Bubblegum. Bubblegum is like my old channel. This is so wet. Hey, there we go. Okay, my friend is still low. Okay, my furry friends forever. You will get dry in no time. Wow. Nose will be there. Can I see it? Here. I want to clean it. Later. Yeah. It's still wet. Oh, it's still wet. This one is super wet. Yep, the tummy is super wet. Okay, just go. Okay. Super wet. Okay, guys, I think we're gonna wait. Everybody, I think we have to wait just a few minutes. Okay, everybody, it's already been 17 minutes. I dried her, and then she's still soaking. But except her face. Her face already dry. Can I clean it later? Her tummy and her back, it's still kind of soaky. And her feet and her hands. Later. Can you give me a pen? I want to write the manual. Wait, what? Okay, I want to write the manual. Okay, maybe a little dry. It's okay. And a little soaky, that's okay, I guess. Spectacle eyes in the mouth, tummy still rumbling. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, everybody, so I'll say I already cut. Okay, I already cut this and this. And this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this. Okay, everybody. Whoa. Okay, then. It's a little. Close the door, please. Close the door. Okay. Okay, then after that, we are going to. Super tired. Okay, I think it's a little dry. It's up her tummy and her back it's a little bit. Yes. Okay. Okay, thank you for the pen. This is can you use another pen? That one's really has the ink. Oh. Okay. Hey. Okay, it's me. It's a little soaky. Wow! Too dry. Okay. It's still dry. I need it for my book scruffle. I want to make a book of scruffle, guys. Okay. It's already been 22 minutes. Okay. I think this is enough. We're going to dry it after we end this video. Okay, can I grab it? Later. I said later. Okay, after me. I really like to groom it. Okay. I always love it. So here, that's what we oh, this shark. Okay. Tummies.
Guys, do you love this shark? Put your guess in the comment.
Okay, well, like this. Okay, we need to groom him. Okay. Can you grab the phone and see this?
Okay.
Ready? Look at this. Look at this. Okay, putting it low like this. Yep. Okay.
It's still wet, this one.
Yeah, in here it's still wet. Oh, well, that's okay. I can try again later after we end this video. Our eyes.
So cute.
Okay, and this eye. Okay, just put it back.
Look at it, the paw.
Okay, put it back. Put it back.
Okay.
Tail. Okay, here. You want to groom it?
Yes.
Here. This one.
Finally.
You groom the tummy. Careful. And here. The color. Okay, I just want to write the manual. Where's the manual? Where's the manual? Not the pad, the manual. There's the bow. And there's the manual. Okay. Children, excuse me. Okay, this is the certificate that has official adopted. By signing this, I promise to give my Scruffle Love lifetime of love, care, and fun. I promise to be best friend forever, or BFF. Okay, I want to do it later.
Okay, it's still
Nanti beresin ya.
it's so fluffy out of that.
Okay, guys, that is my mom speaking the other language. Okay. Okay, my mom always speak like that. Okay, certificate that bubble gum. My writing isn't very good.
It's good.
Bubble gum adopted. Adopted. Okay, signature. The signature is. I'm just going to write my name, my long name, but not so long. Okay, date. What date this is? What me see. April 25, and this is Saturday 220. Hello guys. Welcome. Now, what's this?
Can I see?
Sure. Wow, super loud. And
Necklace.
ta-da! It's
Bubblegum.
okay. Just going to okay. Let me use this.
Can I use
Okay.
the hair
Okay,
clip?
okay. Just a minute. Oh my.
Can I use the hair clip?
Okay. Okay, here. Right in here. There.
Okay. Not in here.
Mhm.